I'm Aaron Gold from Motor Trend, and this is the Mercedes Maybach SL680 monogram series, the first modern-day two-seat roadster from Mercedes Maybach division, which is being revealed at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, which is why I'm wearing my Pebble Beach blazer with the brass buttons. Now, of course, this is based on the AMG 63 version of the SL Roadster. Has the same power plant, 4-liter V8, 577 horsepower, 590 pound-feet of torque, same 9-speed wet clutch automatic transmission. But they have made tuning changes for the Maybach version because, of course, the AMG SL is a very aggressive, very racy car. So the Maybach version has different suspension tuning, and it actually has all-new steering system designed to make the car more relaxing to drive, not quite so aggressive when you turn the wheel. Other mechanicals are the same, but of course the design details differ greatly. Of course, there are many Maybach-specific details. Front fascia gets a different treatment. Look at all these Maybach logos in the lower grille. And then this hood, stand-up hood ornament, chrome strip going down the center of the car, hood in black paint with, optionally, these Maybach logos, 60 million of them in the hood, lest you forget you are driving a Maybach. In terms of paint colors, you get this beautiful deep glossy red. There's also a matte white. And if you insist, they will paint the SL a different color. And the interior of this is very, very, very white. It's got white carpets and white floor mats that I'm very much worried about soiling. And this is how all of the Maybach SLs are going to come. You cannot change the interior configuration. You get this bright, bright white leather, this beautiful brushed chrome here, slightly different switch layout than the AMG cars, and of course, Maybach-specific graphics on the instrument panel. And of course, you have Maybach logos everywhere in the hood. You have them here on the fairing. You have them in the roof. They're actually in the fabric. You have them on the pedals. I mean, there are so many Maybach logos. I was going to count them all, but in third grade, they only taught me to count up to a jillion, and I was never good at math. And of course, the AMG-branded SL is a 4-seater with sort of a vestigial back seat, but the Maybach is a dedicated 2-seater. And they built this beautiful fairing in here with a glass wind blocker that really does a nice job of bringing the interior and the headrest right down into the bodywork. Out back, you've got the raising wing, same as you would on the AMG models, but the rear fascia is unique. More body color, less emphasis on the diffuser and the exhaust tips. Whole idea being to remind you that this is not a car for racing around the track. That would be too uncouth. No, this is a car to be seen in, to cruise in, to relax, and to look good. How much is this beauty going to cost? Well, we don't know. Mercedes hasn't announced pricing, but we know it ain't going to be cheap. And if you have to ask, you probably can't afford a blazer with brass buttons on the sleeves for Pebble Beach. But we do know that it is not going to be a limited production model. Mercedes will build as many of these as people want to buy. For more about the Mercedes Maybach SL680 monogram series and all things automotive and with shorter names, please visit us on the web at motortrend.com.